Once upon a time, in the heart of the Enchanted Forest, there lived a speedy rabbit named Rusty and a slow but determined tortoise named Theo. Rusty was known far and wide for his lightning-fast speed, while Theo was admired for his persistence and unyielding spirit. One sunny day, the forest animals gathered to organize a grand race. The excitement buzzed through the air as animals from all corners of the woods came to witness the much-anticipated event. Rusty, confident in his speed, boasted about winning the race effortlessly. On the day of the race, the two contenders lined up at the starting point. The signal was given, and off they went. Rusty sprinted ahead, leaving a trail of dust behind. He looked back, saw Theo moving at a slow and steady pace, and couldn't resist laughing at his opponent's seemingly futile efforts. As the race continued, Rusty grew overconfident and decided to take a nap under a tree, thinking he had plenty of time to spare. Meanwhile, Theo plodded along with unwavering determination. He didn't get discouraged by Rusty's laughter or the apparent gap between them. To everyone's surprise, when Rusty awoke, he found Theo just a few steps away from the finish line. Panicking, Rusty sprinted as fast as he could, but it was too late. Theo crossed the finish line, proving that slow and steady wins the race. The forest erupted in cheers as Theo emerged victorious. Rusty, humbled and with a newfound respect for his friend, congratulated Theo on his well-deserved win. The wise old owl, who had been observing the race, gathered all the animals and said, "Children, this race teaches us that it's not always the fastest who succeed, but those who are determined, patient, and never give up." From that day on, the Enchanted Forest animals learned the valuable lesson that speed is not the only key to success. They understood that persistence, determination, and a steady pace can lead to triumph, just as Theo had proven in the race against Rusty. And so, the tale of Rusty the rabbit and Theo the tortoise became a cherished story in the hearts of the forest inhabitants, a reminder that every creature has its own strengths and pace in the journey of life.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget, please subscribe, like and share.